Hello and welcome to the video tutorial for officer type users for VirtualRollCall. Here we're prompted with the login page and we will enter the credentials. Now this username will belong to an officer profile. If the username is correct and the password is correct, when we simply log in, it will redirect you to the officer's profile. Now this officer happens to be working on Shift B, meaning as we click on any of these categories, we should only receive the information that's intended for Shift B or the information that's intended for any shift. As an example, we will click on category bolos and they will send us all the information of all the documents that are supposed to be on Shift B or any shift. Now in order to view any of these documents, we can simply click on the document and this will open a PDF viewer with the information that was sent by the supervisors. This is actually a built-in PDF viewer that we can actually view any PDF file if we simply click on open file and search for the file in our computer. This will also zoom in, we can zoom out using this information here. If we wish to print the information, if we have access to one printer, we can click here. If we wish to download the PDF into our computer, we can click here. To exit this, we simply click out and it will dismiss the information. To go back to the categories, we simply click return. Now in the case of watch orders, it will be different from the other ones. As we click on watch orders, this will display a map location with all the locations sent by our supervisors. Now in our case, we only have one location, which in this case happens to be the police department for Pinecrest. And as we hover over it, we can see it has information that we can actually see, meaning if the watch order has some specific details, some specific information that the officer might be interested in, the supervisor can input this information in and it will help the officer know what that location is about. To return to the list, we simply click on return. The system currently supports PDF and MP4 documents. Any other information will actually be rejected by the system and it will let the user know. To exit, we simply click log out. Now this concludes the tutorial for our officers type users for VirtualRollCall.